Hello and welcome. My name is Dan Mowinski, Certified AI Consultant and Chief AI Officer. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick high-level overview of my software suite platform. I'm really excited to show this. So this is going to be a very brief explanation of what is in here, and we will go into further detail in other videos. So the first thing to get in, you just go to app.powerupai.ai. Once you log in and create your account, this is something that you will see. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is set up your business context. We're not going to do that in this video, but definitely start there. So that means anything that you do inside of the lab, it will understand your company or your client's business context. So it can give you much better answers. So as a high level overview, we have two things. So we have a lot of popular components down here at the bottom, and then we also have our lead hacker for our lead generation software. So up here at the top left, there's a few things that you can do. You can jump to the lead hacker over here on the left. You don't have to go here directly. You can go to all of the tools on this side. So this will have everything from the lead hacker, and then you can break it down even further. So you can look at ads that you would be running for yourself or your clients, sales, looking at funnels, emails, content, webinar. Some stuff from Russell Brunson was pretty exciting. If you have a school or are thinking of launching a school community, there's quite a bit in here on this side. And there's a few more things. We can set up workflows. So these are different flows that you might have. For example, the business starter pack is to start your business identity. There's a few components that go along with this. If you want to launch an offer, there's a few things that go along with that. For your school community, it's not just one component, there's a few pieces to it. And then also an Amazon bestseller ebook pass. So this helped me become an Amazon bestseller myself. I was a #1 bestseller in Australia and the United States on Amazon for a little while. Now, next here we have mentors. So these are basically custom GPTs that help out you if you have questions and you want to ask and you want to talk to somebody like Mr. Hormozi, you can ask him specific questions. So these are very detailed, very descriptive understandings and very similar to custom GPTs about what you are looking at. So if you wanted to learn more about how to create a money model for yourself or a client, you could do here. And then if you have questions about the lead hacker, you can go here as well. Now you can do training, so you can set up trainings on this side to understand more about everything. So I'm going to be putting a lot more videos in here for you as things go on. This is a developer that I'm working with. You can look at your usage history to see how many tokens you have, and you can see what your monthly limit is and how many is remaining. When I am first recording this video in June of 2026, we are at 150,000 monthly. I'm looking to change this potentially depending on how people use it and how everything is going. Now we can also look at the funnel hacker. So if you have a funnel that you want to make similar to yours, or if you know, if you have a client, you can set up a funnel that you know is working, and then you can model that funnel to your clients or your funnel yourself. If you want to generate images, we can generate images. Also videos, you can have a few videos that you can generate. Now here, this is also exciting as the playground. So if you want to compare different models side by side, you can absolutely do that. So you would want to choose your business context, and then you can ask it a question, just like you were talking to ChatGPT 5.5. So if you wanted to compare 5.5 with different models, you can see these are all of the models that I have as of right now. I have Opus 4.8, so a lot of different ones. You know, the sonar, all the fun stuff. So if I wanted to compare 5.5 with Opus, I would just do that, and then I could add the same prompt in both and then see which one is a little bit better. And then lastly is the perfecting. So nothing here yet. This will be coming very soon. Now you can also set up your offer. So once you create a business context, you use the flows to set up an actual offer that you want to create. I highly suggest that you use the Alex Hormozi offer GPT to be able to understand how to do that better. And then you can set up your own specific style as well. I will be going into a lot more detail on different videos. This is a high level overview. I'm really excited you're here. If you have any questions or you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help, and let's win together. Thank you. Pow. There we go.